Hello everyone, this is Rahul Rathod. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, we will be discussing about silent letter G, H as combined. And in our last video, we discussed about the silent letter G and H. If you did not watch those videos, go back to those previous videos and watch those videos. So without wasting your time, let's begin the class. As I have told you that in this video, we will be discussing about not only one silent letter, we are going to discuss about the both silent letter. When G and H comes together, when there is no sound, G and H together return in words, but this G and H together should not be pronounced, which means there is no sound. So earlier we discussed about the particular one silent letter, and though we discussed about the silent letter G in our one video, we discussed about the silent letter H in our one video. So watch those videos. And now we are going to discuss GH as combined. Fine. So the rule number 1 says that letter GH together is not pronounced. Letter GH together is not pronounced when it comes after a vowel. For example, here, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So before this vowels, if so, after these vowels, if GH is written, there should not be no sound. There should not be any sound. I repeat, GH together is not pronounced. When it comes after vowel. These are the vowels. When GH is written after these vowels, there is no sound of GH. We'll see in examples. You can have command over this rule in the examples. See, there is a word called through. In the word through, GH is there, and before this GH, what is the word? Vowel is there, which means our rule says that when GH is written after the vowels, now it is the vowels and GH is written after the vowels. In this case, letter GH is a silent letter, so this should be pronounced as this through. And the next word, according to the rule, when GH is written after any vowel, GH should not have any sound. Here it is a vowel, here it is vowel, and after this vowel, GH is written, which means it has no sound. Daughter. In the third one, here it is a vowel, I is a vowel, and after this I, GH is written, which means this GH has no sound. These are the silent letters combined together. It is pronounced as the light and it is pronounced as the right because the GH is written after this vowel, which means it is right. Fight, same rule is applied here, and it is bright. This does not have sound because it is after this vowel, and it is bought, same rule is applied. It is thought, the same rule is applied, and it is though. In this word though, GH has no sound. In this word night, GH has no sound. All the words which are written here after any vowel followed by the GH is not pronounced in this word. So keep in mind, and we have a few examples. I repeat the pronunciation of this word. This is through, daughter, light, right, fight, bright, bought, thought, though, night. Fine. So along with this rule number 1 of the silent letter GH combined, few exceptions are there. In the exception which means which does not follow any rule, and in this case exception, here there is a word. This is the compound noun. The exception is applied with only compound noun. Compound noun in the sense when any one word is formed using two different words. For example, here I'll make you understand. The first word is nothing but it is dog, and the second word is nothing but it is house. So when we combine two nouns, two different nouns, and we create one word, that is doghouse. In this doghouse, there is no silent letter G, though it is after the vowel, it is not silent. That must be pronounced because it is compound noun. When GH comes using the compound noun, there should be sound of the GH. It is compound noun in the sense it has this sound. And the next, it is nothing but foregone. This foregone is also a compound noun. This is fog and this is on. So now this compound noun, when GH comes using the compound noun, that must have this sound. It is foregone, and this is nothing but, this is also a compound noun which is made using two different nouns which are big and the head. This should be pronounced as bigot. Doghouse, foregone, and bigot. So these are the rule 1. This is the rule 1 that we discussed about the rule GH as combined silent where it is not pronounced. I hope you guys have understood. Please note it down. I will come up with rule number 2. We have seen the rule number 1 of GH as a silent combined together. So now we have rule number 2. Sometimes rule number 2 says that when GH combined is silent, sometimes GH is also pronounced like, sometimes GH is also pronounced like F. So this GH has the sound of M. So where this is in this word here, listen to the examples. In the word rough, the GH is pronounced like F. We pronounce this as rough. We don't use the actual sound of the GH. Instead of using that, we pronounce this as F because this GH has also the sound of the letter F. This is rough, this is cuff, and this is roughly, and it is nothing but tough. This is nothing but laugh. This is nothing but laughing. This is nothing but enough. Fine. So again I repeat, this GH sometimes it is pronounced as the sound F. You can see over in these examples. I hope you guys must have understood the topic of GH, where GH combined is kept silent. So this is the today's topic. I hope everybody must have understood the topic, and if you have any queries related to this video, feel free to ask us in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you did not subscribe our channel, do subscribe our channel. By that time, we'll meet in our next video. Take care. Keep learning with Learn to Teach.